solving kinematics from Cambridge Admit book, and it's exercise 16.2. Exercise 16.2. In this stage we're going to figure out the question number 4, and it's the trigonometric function is given here, and the expression is written as a velocity t second order passing through O. That is the expression is given by that. Now question is find the displacement of the particle from O when t equals to 2. So in this time interval, from O means we needed to put here t equals to 0. From 0 to 3 pi by 2, they are asking to find out the displacement. This is the first question. Then the second question is its acceleration at this instant. To get displacement, we have to integrate the expression of velocity given displacement. Let me write displacement. So it is actually we need to do 3 plus 2 cos t by 3. Coefficient of cos given here 1 by 3, and integration, because from t0 to 3 pi by 2, if we integrate directly we would get from here displacement value. So let me integrate. The first part of t, it gives us t square by 2. If you don't know the basic integration of the trigonometric function and t square, please from the top right I button click the other integrations. I have some other videos, general videos to make it clear. You should see from there. So the next one is 2 divided by 1 by 3, because it is integration, so coefficient of t actually comes here as a 1 by, and integration of cos gives us sine t by 2, t by 3. So the limit is 3 pi by 2, first limit, which is 3 pi by 2, and the down limit is 0. So we are going to put this value here and let you calculate, which is half. T value is 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 whole square, then plus this is 6, 2 by 1 by t is 6, sine 1 by 3 into 3 pi by 2, then minus 0. If we put t0 means 0, then plus 6 sine 0 also. We know sine 0 is also 0, so the expression comes here. If we calculate this one manually, half into 9 pi square by 4 in this stage, plus 6 sine theta, we can cut out sine pi by 2, and we know sine pi by 2 equals to 1. So our final expression is 9 pi square by 8 plus 6, and its definitely unit is meter. Sine, as we know, pi by 2 equals to 1. From we can put this one here. So since okay, this is the first stage of this question, and the second stage is and its acceleration at this instant. At this instant means when it is time is t pi by 2. So to get the acceleration, we have to differentiate first acceleration expression. So acceleration, you can write dv by dt. We are going to differentiate of this trigonometric function now. It is written here t plus 2 cos t by 3. Then if we differentiate, t gives us 1, and coefficient of t is 1 by 3, so we need to multiply 1 by 3 into, if we differentiate cos, then it gives us minus sine t by 3. So we can simplify it, minus 1 minus 2 by 3 sine t by 3. So at the point t equals to 3 pi by 2, this is the value. Our acceleration, you can write 1 minus 2 by 3 sine 1 by 3 into 3 pi by 2. So we can cut out this 2, which is 1 minus 2 by 3, because again sine pi by 2, which is, we know sine pi by 2 equals to 1. So from there we can write the value comes here 1 by 3, and its unit is meter per second square. Hope you understood the questions we have done. So gradually we are going to solve the question number 5 and other questions as well. So stay tuned in my tutorial. So hopefully you enjoyed the way I did the questions. Thanks for watching.